Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa. How you can use a Canva mobile app. In this video, I will show you how you can use a Canva mobile app. So please watch the video until the end. So let's go to Canva app. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, go to Play Store, search for Canva and download it. To register in Canva, you can use your email, Gmail, or your Facebook. This is the interface of Canva mobile app. On the bottom toolbar, you can see Home, Designs, Canva Pro, and Menu. You can access the Home in here, that is your designs, and if you want to try Canva Pro and Menu. Here in the menu, you can see your account and other settings. Okay, back to home, dito mo makikita yung mga pwede mong gawin sa Canva, like for example Instagram post, phone wallpapers, certificates, flyers, menus, YouTube thumbnails, and Facebook covers. Okay, to know more about what you can create in Canva, I have a Canva playlist which I have created a video kung ano yung mga pwedeng magawa dito sa Canva. Okay? Hindi pa ko pa lahat ito nagawa ng video, pero meron akong nagawa doon ng how you can create a YouTube thumbnail, a Canva presentation, a Facebook cover. Meron akong mga video doon. You can check it out and you can follow that tutorial. If you tap on the plus sign, you can access here. Ito pa rin yung mga designs na magagawa mo dito with dimensions na siya, okay? If you want to use this, you can just tap on, for example, Instagram post. Just tap on that and magkakaroon na kayo ng blank page, okay? But if you want to use your own design, you can tap on the custom size and then input the size you want. Tap the plus sign. For example, Facebook post. Let's tap on that. And then, meron ka ng blank page. How you can start your design? Tap on the plus sign. And here, you can choose a template you want to use as a guide. Okay? But if you don't like to use a templates, you can always create your own design with a blank page. Okay? On the bottom toolbar again, you can access the elements you want to add on your design. For example, you want to add a shapes. Let's click on the see all, and in here you can choose the shape you want to insert on your design. Okay, for example, let's put a circle. If you tap the circle, it will automatically load to the blank page you created. You can reduce the size of the shape or the elements you put in here by just dragging it like this or like this, okay? And then you can position it wherever you want by just dragging it like that or this like this, or by accessing here on the bottom toolbar. Look for the position, and then if you want to put it in the center, tap the center. If you want to put it on the bottom, you can tap the bottom, okay? And to insert the text, tap on the plus sign again, then go to text. Okay, and then if you tap on the heading, there you go. You can type in here what text you want to include on your design. Okay, for example, Canva, just like that. If you want to change the font of your text, you can access again on the bottom toolbar and then tap on the font, and then you can choose font you like in here. For example, this one. Ayan. Okay, and if you want to make it bigger, you can tap on the font size, then make it bigger or smaller. Okay, and then if you want to change the color, tap the color. So, isa-isahin nyo na lang to guys to position. For example, if you want to this shape, you want to reduce the transparency, tap on the transparency, and then you can reduce it, or you can maintain it to 100. Okay, you can position it here. Okay, and then if you tap on the plus sign again, you can add photos here. Tap on the photos and choose photo that you want to add in here. Okay, so if you want to make this as your background, pag tinap nyo siya, makikita nyo dyan, copy, paste, select multiple, yan, bring forward, bring to back, bring backward, or you can set that image as your background. If you set that image as your background, tap on that, and there you go. Background nyo na yung image na in-insert nyo. To reduce the transparency, tap on the image, then transparency, make it less transparent. So, for example, it's already done. How to download it? Tap in here, then tap on download. Then you can choose a file type. If it's if you like to be PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, and GIF. Okay, but this is suggested a PNG, of course, because it's a Facebook post. So you can tap on the PNG or JPEG and then click on download. And if you want to add a page, you can see here there's one page. Let's add one. Tap on the plus sign, then you have another page. So that's it guys on how you can access the toolbar to start creating the sign in Canva. Okay, just download the app and scroll it down, and you can follow my tutorials how you can add an elements, photos, and some photo you want to add on your design. So I will show you guys on how you can upload. Yeah, I forgot. If you want to upload your own photo, for example, you want to use your own photo to your own design, tap the plus sign, and here you can see uploads. Tap on that and upload media, and then you can access your gallery para makapag-upload ka ng media, ng videos, and ng other elements na gusto mong gagamitin. Okay? So, dito guys, marami ditong pwedeng gawing design like for social media, presentations, dito. Yan, video. Diyan mo siya ma-access sa taas. To search for a template, you can type in here, search like resume virtual assistant, phone wallpaper. Ayan, kapag may tinype ka dyan na, for example, invitation card, may lalabas dyan ng mga templates na pwede mong ma-access and pwede mong gamiting guide para sa paggawa mo ng design. Okay? Paano naman kung halimbawa nagamit ka ng templates in here, paano mo siya may edit? Okay, let's pick one templates in here like this birthday. Okay? So to edit this one, to change the color of the background, you can tap on the background, and here sa baba, sa bottom toolbar, makikita mo tong color. You can tap on that and you can change the background or the color you like. For example, yan. For example naman, gagawin nating white and blue. So it's up to you. Okay? And sa pagpalit naman ng text, you can tap the text. So, makikita mo, kapag tinap mo yung text, dito sa bottom toolbar, makikita mo yung edit, yung delete, yung duplicate, font, and more. So, if you want to edit that one, you can tap on edit, and pwede ka na maglagay ng text na gusto mo. Like Mary 4th birthday. Ayan. And then you can change the elements by just tapping the element. And you want to replace an element, tap the plus sign, go to elements, and you can choose or you can search in here like birthday. Like birthday, then search, and then makikita mo dito yung mga elements na pang birthday. You can choose from here, okay? For example, ito. And then, i-position natin dito, or kung saan mo gustong i-position. You can even change the color. Let's change it to like purple, more purple, and then let's put yellow. Yeah. Okay. Some elements na hindi mo siya pwedeng palitan ng color. So, ganun guys ang paggamit ng templates. Ganun kung paano mo siya may edit. Again guys, dito sa bottom toolbar, dito mo ma-access yung templates, elements, gallery, uploads, photos, text, styles, audios, videos, background, and then ito, kapag kinonect mo tong mga to sa account mo. Okay? So, that's it guys on how you can use a Canva mobile app, kung paano mo ma-access yung mga toolbar, kung paano ka makakapag-add ng mga photos ng elements and makakapag-upload ng elements, kung paano mo gamitin yung templates, paano mo siya i-edit. So, I hope this video helps. And I hope na may natutunan kayo and nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood nyo ng aking video. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell para ma-update kayo on my next video. Again, if you have any questions, clarifications, or more content about this, please comment down below. And you can message me and Facebook if you have any questions in using Canva mobile app. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you very much for watching and God bless.